I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a Jeep Grand Cherokee 4.0. First, gather your tools, including a new water pump, a drain pan, and various wrenches. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before you start working on your vehicle. Next, place a large drain pan under your radiator and open the drain cock to empty the coolant. Before removing the serpentine belt, loosen the water pump pulley bolts. Then, use a 1/2-inch drive ratchet to release tension from the belt tensioner and remove the serpentine belt. Finally, unbolt and carefully remove the fan shroud and fan assembly. Now, disconnect any remaining hoses from the old water pump. Unbolt and carefully remove the old pump from the engine block. It's crucial to thoroughly clean the engine block's mating surface, removing all old gasket material for a perfect seal. Install your new water pump with a fresh gasket, applying thread sealant to the bolts, and tighten them to 17 foot-pounds. Finally, reconnect all hoses, reinstall the fan assembly, and put the serpentine belt back on. Close the radiator drain cock and refill the cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture. To bleed air, run the engine with the heater on high until it reaches operating temperature. Carefully check for any leaks and ensure your engine maintains a stable temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.